have Riley joining us now for a look at our forecast. Dry now for the most part, but things will be changing.
That's right. Actually, already breezy. You can see the flag blowing out there. We've been getting the winds from the east, south, and east, gusting up to around 15 miles per hour or so this morning, and temperatures are starting off quite mild, in fact. Now, as we go ahead and look at the radar, not much going on right now. The only thing we're seeing really is just some light showers out towards the Cascades. Freezing level this morning starting about 6,000 feet. So we're dry here in the metro area and then out towards the coast. Now, as we look at a broader perspective, we're starting to see the beginning signs of that front starting to move in. Notice how we're starting to see these lines of showers ahead of this front as it starts to move in. That's going to be indicating that we're going to see our intensity and coverage of rain picking up as the day goes on. So what to expect today? We could see a few moderate to heavy downpours coming in towards the late afternoon here in the metro area. We're all going to experience some gusty southwest winds today. Out towards the coast, you could get some gusts near 40 miles per hour here downtown and through Salem down towards Eugene, possibly up to around 30 miles per hour. It's going to be breezy all out towards the mountains as well. Snow levels will drop to about 3,000 feet overnight tonight, but that's going to bring up to about 5 to 10 inches of snow through tomorrow for our ski resorts. So some nice smiles we'll see on our skiers outside. 44 to start off this morning. It's going to be a little breezy, and then as the day goes on, we're going to start to see the coverage of the showers increasing and the intensity, especially through the afternoon hours. We might get some ponding on the roadways. Now, highs today right around 48 degrees. Then we'll transition to more of a shower mode tonight, and it will remain breezy through about midnight tonight with those south winds up to around 20 to 25 miles per hour with lows in the lower 40s. For this reason, for the snow, the National Weather Service did put up that winter weather advisory that goes until noon tomorrow, and again 5 to 10 inches possible, looking up to around 6 to 10 inches above 4,000 feet out towards the Blue Mountains. So we have a winter weather advisory continuing through tomorrow in that area. So as we time the rain out this morning, our models are kind of overdoing it a little bit this morning. As we go through the afternoon hours is when we start to see the heavier bands coming through. Now, our in-house model wants to bring it in around 2 o'clock. I think it's going to be a little bit later. Most of the models want to bring it in between about 4 and 5 p.m. And then that will move out of here the heaviest precipitation. Mountain snow will continue through tomorrow morning. And then for all of us, we get a bit of a drying period tomorrow as a weak ridge tries to build in through the morning hours. That will break down through the afternoon, and we get into more shower mode again. Some light snow accumulation still possible through the Cascades. Now, it's going to be mild and breezy out towards the coast today. Again, gusts up to around 40 miles per hour and wet with heavy downpours likely. Through Salem, about 50 degrees for your high today with some possible heavy downpours through the afternoon hours. Snow in the Blue Mountains. We could be looking at some rain potential, of course, up towards Pendleton. You're going to start this morning with some fog. We could see some brief period of freezing rain early this morning through the gorge as temperatures are near freezing, but you'll change over to rain, and then the snow levels drop tonight. Government camp right around 30 degrees for the overnight low. So as we detail the next couple of days, wet today and windy, a bit of a break tomorrow morning. And then we'll see the rain redeveloping in the afternoon hours. It'll stay wet on Friday, but a more significant system comes in on Saturday, and that's going to increase our winds. And I think some of us will see some wind advisories coming in out of this one. Rain chances Sunday and Monday, and then we dry out by Tuesday, but highs near 50.
All right, so we're definitely having a lot of rain right now, and that wind something else for everyone to be aware of, including our drivers when they're out on the roadways.